Macy, I'm scared.
Look.
Oh my God. I can't look.
They're far away.
There was a pretty one, but you didn't look.
Oh my God, no. Yes.
Are you gonna go to?
If I don't want to look.
Whoa! It's so pretty.
This is probably
Why are
really
they so
boring to you,
loud?
but still.
They're gonna
Look
pop
at all
my
the smoke.
eardrums.
Oh, there's the
Mayday,
fire.
I want to take a picture.
No, not right now.
Mayday,
won't
I
work.
want to take a
Where's my
picture.
phone?
It won't work in the dark.
Cool. So,
I'm taking a video.
I know, but I don't.
whoa, that one made an oval. I like that one. Why are they so late?
There's still smoke in the sky, just saying.
If I could see it. It's like cotton candy.
Poisonous kind.
Forbidden
I'm
cotton
not even
candy.
looking.
It's forbidden cotton candy.
Ow, my
It looks
ears.
like your screen is so light. See my ears?
Wow.
Skyler, say hello to the people.
No.
Wow.
Nevaeh, say hi.
Oh, that's a humongous one.
Well, look at that.
There's a look.
Casey, say hi to the people.
Those are so
How dare
pretty.
you
They
ruin
look
it?
like
Whatever.
trees.
Back to the show. Move along.
Okay,
Move
good.
along.
I thought,
Wow.
Move along.
Wow.
I said move. Let me just.
Wow.
I'll push them. I'll push the cars.
why are they so late with the big boom?
I don't know. Maybe because we're farther away and so like.
No cars. Back you go.
Boom! Whoa, that was so close!
I don't even get to watch the pretty fireworks. All these cars are ruining it. Whoa. Ah. No, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Move. Okay. Back to my show. I said move. Wow. Move.
Whoa, it looks
Wow.
like they were coming at us for a second.
Trust me, they're far away. They
I know, it
Wow,
looks
so
like
pretty.
they're coming
Let me
at us.
just.
Do you see that?
trust me. They're far away. They would.
Get out of my way.
It would be like
So disrespectful.
It would be
These
very.
people are really disrespectful.
That made my chest vibrate.
No one else is coming, I don't think. So I'm Gucci. I'm Gucci. Wow, so
Those are
pretty.
so pretty.
You're Gucci. You're just a purse. She'll just carry you around, and you just go wee.
I think they heard me, and now no one's crashing because they know I'm gonna yell at them.
Wow.
Excuse me.
Geet.
What are you doing?
Show. Shoot. Shoot.
Wait.
Shoot.
Gotta push them away. I'm trying to watch my show.
Wow.
Did you know this was made just for me? Yeah, definitely. Soleil. You ruined my show.
That made my chest vibrate
Stop
again.
ruining my show. I paid $2 million for this.
Why is it making my chest vibrate?
Because it's loud.
The worst part is, I'm sitting by a restaurant. I paid $2 million to sit by a restaurant. Yeah.
There's you can see.
I'm surprised you saw it.
Look, you see. Sometimes you can see a little smoke that looks like trees at times.
Wow, thunder.
That is
Can you guys stop, please?
slow with detail, but it's very.
Look at that. Looks kind of cool.
What's that noise?
Oh, just a small one.
Oh, the small ones when they just go through.
It looks kind of cool. It looks like the sky's got fangs.
We would have seen it better.
It's a robbery. Put your hands up. Whoa, watch this.
It turned red at the end.
back to my show.
Back to the show.
Still not over.
Bro, it ain't over for like 3 hours. Wow.
I'm gonna have to make a bunch of videos if I want to record this all.
Bye.
Stayed until the end. Bye.
And that's the show.